razor sharp and ready to strike. That's the design concept of the new GSX S1000. The birth of a completely new GSX S with aggressive styling that is one of a kind. Its lines are sharp. The new headlight design is radical, and the slim front and rear end sections highlight the bike's muscular midsection. Everything combines to create an aggressive stance that conveys power and performance. The radical design of the new stacked LED headlight assembly and sharp lines of the front end take their inspiration from jet fighters. The winglets, inspired by the aerodynamic design of Suzuki's MotoGP race machines, add a sharp look that conveys cutting-edge performance. The design of the ample fuel tank combines with the side cowl to give a heightened aggressive but stylish appearance. And the tank's capacity increased from 4.5 to 5 gallons from the previous model, which means less time spent refueling and more time to enjoy riding. Taken together, these elements form a futuristic design with a dauntless face that is razor sharp and ready to strike. The beauty of naked aggression. That's the product concept of the new GSX S1000. It's a street fighter that brings the pleasure and beauty of sport riding to every outing.